So we're down here in Catford on the Corbett estate. This is another project we're currently working on, just an update video of how we're getting on this project. So what we've done so far is removed all of the pebble dash from all of the brickwork on the front of the property, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. We've taken down and rebuilt both of the piers around the front door. So rebuilt all of them, changed around about 250 bricks in total so far. Also burning all the old paint off of all of the stonework. This is all going to be decorated instead of going back to natural stone. So what we like to do is get rid of all this old loose flaky paint. Had a horrible Cotex system on this. So burn all of that old paint off. As you can see, get it all back to stone, ready for decoration. We'll rub everything down, get everything all lovely and smooth. Done some samples for the customer, some tuck pointing samples and some penny roll samples. So customer's going for the penny roll finish. Lads are here now, just working on getting all of the paint off all of the stonework. So I'll just show you upstairs, show you where we're getting on upstairs. So as you can see, getting rid of this horrible Cotex paint that's all over the stonework, getting all that back to stone, exposing all of the nice features ready for decoration. So hopefully by the end of this week we'll get all the rest of this paint off all of the stonework, and then we can start the stonework before we do the actual repointing. So a bit more paint to get on this top elevation, all of these capitals, window heads, get all the old paint off of there. A few more bricks to replace here and now, not too many more now, most of them are all replaced anyway. So like I say, around about 250 bricks in total. Looking at possibly new fascia board and guttering for the customer as well. So that's all nice and watertight. But so far, so good. Another job going really, really well. And looking forward to transforming this once again to the best looking house on the street. So lads are doing a good job on this so far. Everything's going very, very well. So if you have any questions or would like a free quotation for any of our services that we're offering, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.